Best salads for diabetes is the green salad. I mean to say, you can have a cucumber, carrot, and even onions, and apart from that you can have certain other green vegetables in the salads, which really works as a best fiber food. That the diabetics who have should have the more of a fiber food, so that the digestion takes easy and there won't be any gluconeogenesis in the body, like carbohydrates or any other excessive eating of proteins and sweet material. So the salads obviously make you ease to digestion, and then you will not have any stool problems or toilet problems. Hence the comfortable defecation will be there, so that the fiber food which it takes will definitely helps to maintain the sugar levels in the normal way, and then it helps to keep the digestion proper and the defecation easy.